The night in the mini world at the farm was peaceful. The mini farmer family slept deeply in their beautiful double-story wooden hut. But in the silence of the night, two thieves crept onto the farm. Mischievously, they dug up the foundations of the hut and ran away.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Go, go, go!
Morning arrived bright, pleasant and musical.
La 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 la.
Hulk came driving his mini-tractor with a trolley, delivering fresh fruits and vegetables. But as he approached, the weakened hut couldn't bear his weight and collapsed.
Oh my God!
The mini-farmers were heartbroken. Feeling sorry for them, Hulk decided to help. He jumped back onto his tractor, collected all the necessary materials, and returned. Together, they began rebuilding. Through teamwork and effort, everything was repaired and strengthened. Soon, a beautiful, strong, paved house stood where the old hut once was. The farmers were overjoyed, and Hulk bid them farewell.
Bye-bye.
That night, the thieves returned, hoping to repeat their trick. But this time, no matter how hard they tried, they couldn't damage the new house. Defeated and ashamed, they ran away into the darkness.